tout le monde. Hello everyone. Students, today we are going to learn the ER verb conjugation in the present tense. Okay. So our first verb is parler. Parler means to speak. So how we say I speak, you speak, he speaks, she speaks. All these with the 8 subject per noun we will learn today how we will conjugate the verbs. Okay, so first you should know the subject per nouns in French. We are having 8 subject per nouns: je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle. So these are the 8 subject per nouns in the French language. And with the help of these subject per nouns, we will write the verb conjugation. So there are the certain rules for writing the ER verb conjugation. Now rule number 1 is, let me erase the meanings. I hope the meanings are clear. Je means I, tu means you, il means he, elle means she, nous means we, vous means also you, and il and elle are they in the masculine and feminine form. Now some students get confused. This is you and this is also you. So this is you in the informal way and in singular form. And this is the you in plural form as well as in the formal way. Okay. So let's start the conjugation. So our verb is parler, ER verb. What are ER verbs? How you will identify the verbs that ends with the ER are known as ER verbs in the French. Now this is the conjugation in the present tense. So this is a ER. So what is the rule? Rule number 1 is remove ER or cut ER. So this is your given question, parler. Okay. Suppose I have asked you write the verb conjugation of parler. So what you will do? You will remove ER. And now what left? Parle. So everywhere you will write this. With all the 8 subject per noun, first you will write this. The given verb, remove ER, and whatever left you will write with the 8 subject per nouns. Now next, what is the rule number 2? You have to learn this. With the je you will add only E. With tu, you will add es. With il, you will add only e. With el, only e. These are the singular ones, right? I speak, you speak, he speaks, she speaks. Okay. Now let's come to the plural one. Nous. Now the sound is n, nous. So I will write here O-N-S. Nous parlons. With vous, easy, vous parlez. With il parle and elle parle. So these are in the plural form. Il, this is in the masculine one and this is in the feminine form. So what are the meaning? I speak, you speak, he speaks, she speaks, we speak, you speak, they speak in masculine form and they speak in feminine form. What you need to learn? You need to learn this with the je. First you need to learn this order 1 to 8. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle. Next you will learn to, what is the rule? Cut the ER and what left? You will write here parle, parle, everywhere you will write, and then add e, es, e, ons, ez, en, easy and ent and ent. Now let's do the verb conjugation of another verb. Okay, now let us take another example. The verb that is starting with the vowel, how to conjugate that? Aimer. Aimer means to like. Aimer. So first rule remains the same. Write the 8 subject per nouns. Now only one formation is changed if your verb starts with the vowel, that is with the je. So if your verb starts with a vowel, then we have to remove e with the j and put a apostrophe. So this is the exception. If your ER verb starts with a vowel, then j is having this form. Okay, so for I we are having two forms. J, this is also j but with the apostrophe. This we will use before vowel, and this we will use with the simple verbs given. So now let's do the verb conjugation. So what I told you, what is the rule number 1? We will cut the ER. So what left? Aim. So everywhere we will write aim. Now what is the next rule? Add. Yes, add E, then ES, then E, then again E, the singular. Then with nu, N sound is there, so N1, ONS, on. Vu, eme. This is ENT and this is ENT. So what is the pronunciation? Jaim, tuaim, il-aim, el-aim. These four are singular. And what is the meaning? I like, you like, he likes, she likes. Okay, now come here. I have already told you in the French, if one word ends with a S and the following one starting with a vowel, then what is the sound? Sound is Z. So separately if I pronounce this is nu, this is emo, nu, emo. But see, nu is ending with S and emo is starting with a vowel. So the sound is automatically Z sound in French. Nu, zemo, nu, zemo. Together. Okay. So if I pronounce this separately, vu and eme. But vu is ending with S and eme is starting with a vowel. So what it become? Separately it is vu, eme, you like. And together, vu, zeme, because one is ending with S and the following one is starting with a vowel. So keep in mind, so while pronouncing this, so you should keep in mind this. Now, il-zame and el-zame. Separately it is il-aim, el-aim. But with together it is il-zame and el-zame. I hope ER verbs is clear to each and everyone. You can try other verbs like the taste, abite. Now abite. Tell me one thing. Abite. Starting with ash. So ash is a vowel in French. So same rule applies. Which you will put with the ash? Tell me. This one, je or je apostrophe? Yes, je apostrophe. Why? Because ash is considered as a vowel. Okay. The taste. We are having the verb teste, adorer, okay, compter. There are so many ER verbs. You can conjugate yourself for a practice. Okay.